Hello everyone, how are you today? My name is Amritpal Singh. You can call me Amrit. Welcome to my CATIA and You. I live in Hoshiarpur, Punjab, India. The place is called Talwada. It is a very small town, very peaceful place. I'm a graduate engineer in mechanical. I have 7 years of experience in agriculture, aerospace and heavy machinery. As a senior design engineer for the stage modeling of the landing gears, shock struts, fixture design and creating the manufacturing and the machining drawings and the setting sheets. Working with CATIA, I enjoy a lot. The reason is CATIA is very logical software and it is very broad software. Still after all these 7 years, I'm still learning CATIA every day. A new command, something new comes up. I like my work a lot and would like to lead big projects from concept designing, prototyping and to development and putting it into the market. Please share what you are, what is your areas of interest and what you like to do the most in the comment section. That would be great. Mentorship in life is actually very important. I have a lot of mentors. If you ask me for one, then that name would be my father. My father has a workshop as well. He's working right now there. My grandfather, he's retired fitter from Indian Air Force. Talking about CATIA, there are a lot CATIA creations that I have done. Approximately 7,000, 8,000 designs so far with the assemblies and the dropping. I think this platform is brilliant. This is the place where we all sit together and discuss about CATIA. You can see my designs here. I would love to receive your feedback on my designs, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a message or write in the comment sections. CATIA is so supportive that it helps you to communicate your idea 90% to your boss, to your client. They get the idea that what's going in your mind. Talking about CATIA, it is an endless talk for me. Please do visit my profile, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great time. It was very nice talking to you. See you around.